Oh, hi there, Losing. Dang. Hi guys, welcome back to Backyard Videos again. Almost forgot about that. Anyway, hi, welcome back to Backyard Videos. Today, for the second day in a row, holy frick, it is Friday, January 13th, 2023. And yes, I know, it's another nighttime episode. Don't worry, that's gonna change pretty quickly. I hope. Anyway, the time I'm recording this is, and I greatly apologize for not doing this last time. It is 7 p.m. Oh yeah, and I already watched that. Yeah, I already watched that. Before filming. Anyway, yeah, today in the backyard, it is nighttime. Woo! Okay, I keep forgetting this stuff is here. We really need to do something. Hopefully that's soon. Yeah, just gotta wait until my dad has some time off so we could, do that. That would be nice. Anyway, here we are again. The workshop. I know, it's still absolutely beautiful. Let me turn on my flashlight so we can actually see this a bit better. Yeah, there we go. Here's the workshop. But yeah, it's pretty crazy tonight. And hopefully I'll make another project soon. That would be nice. I actually probably gotta throw out these lights. No, not these. I'm talking about the light switch ones. Oh, no. As you can see, these still work completely fine. Well, eventually over time they won't, but we better enjoy them before they eventually stop working at some point in the future. But for now, yeah, they work fine. Anyway. Huh? Oh, there you are, Cody. So, now, one of the main reasons I could be filming this at night is actually because it has been stormy and very windy the whole day. That can explain. And it kind of still is pretty windy. Yeah, it was pretty stormy and really, really windy the whole day. Look at this. I think it's calmed down now, but it used to be a whole lot windier. Oh yeah, I do have the lanai lights on, so we can actually see this a bit better. But yeah, that's the beauty of having this. Look at this. See, it was like this the whole day, like really, really windy and that kind of stuff, and pretty stormy. It didn't rain, but it did rain the night prior to this. But I can definitely tell you. Hold on. I need my flashlight for this. What the heck did we get ourselves into? Give me one sec. Oh, I'm already on the video, which proves I've already watched it. Yep, there's proof I already watched that. Let me just turn this on. Yay, what have we gotten ourselves into? Yo! Lucy! Lucy? Okay, so we know this is closed. And yeah. Also, you may notice there is less junk around here now. Yeah, we've actually been cleaning it up, thankfully. We're gonna hopefully continue to clean up around here, because it's been almost a year since the Lanai project, in around like 2 months. Dang, man, it's crazy to believe. 2 months from now, it's gonna be a whole year since the Lanai project started, and we still haven't cleaned up from out here. We still have not cleaned up out here from that project. Yeah, I'm not gonna argue. It's been almost a year and we have still not actually cleaned up from that project. At least, well, most of it's been cleaned up. We just gotta clean up all of this. And all of that. I know, it's crazy to believe. It's been almost a year. And we have still not cleaned up. At least some of it. But, yeah, filter's running as usual. Yeah, it's just a windy night tonight. That's really all it is. Oh, I almost tripped. That would have been bad. I literally almost tripped. That would have been bad. Yeah, gotta remember these things. But yeah, it's been kind of like this the whole day. Yes, of course, we got Lucy and Cody, of course. Of course, as always, we got these guys. Of course. I can't go inside yet because I actually got to go turn off my workshop lights. Yeah, I realized that I can't go inside until I turn off my workshop lights, and of course he's following me. Come on, he does that all the time. Yeah, I realized I was about to go inside, and then I realized I never turned off my lights back here. So let me do that now. Yep, just go in here and turn these off, because obviously we don't want to leave these running all night. Okay, there we go. Now I can actually go inside. Oh! Also, it's not that cold out here, surprisingly. Yo, Cody! Cody! You gonna come? Okay, I was just wondering. But, yeah, there's not much. Ah, so he's going in there, I see. Okay. Let me pull this out again. Guys, though, I will tell you that, let's see. Oh, whoa! Still really like this curtain. After like 6 years. Technically, it's been in this room for almost 5 years. At least I think I think October it's gonna be 5 years since we put this here. And it has never, I don't think, has ever left this spot. Even when we were redoing the workshop, I don't think it ever actually left this spot. Which is impressive. Also, keep in mind, this was the time machine curtain. Who remembers that? Yeah, throwback there. Yeah, this was the time machine curtain. Back in the old backyard. Back in 2017, if you're all aware. I know I've told you that a few times, but I thought I'd just remind you. In case you're new to the series, I thought I'd just tell you. Yeah, this is not actually originally for this workshop. It was originally a curtain for the time machine back in the day, if you remember. Again, if you're new to this series, I thought I'd just mention. If you remember that, comment down below. I'd love to see how many of you actually remember. I know I've mentioned it before and a few other times, but it's nice to kind of look back at that. Even though the actual time machine's gone. Of course, that's been gone for like almost 5 years now. Which that's fine. We didn't really use it, so tearing it down, I was actually kind of fine with that. Because we didn't really use it. Yeah, you may realize when we were in that yard, I didn't really actually use that thing. I only went inside it maybe like a few times, but not to an exact point. I know I went in there a lot, but not as much as you may think. And even off camera sometimes. Oh, Cody. Cody. You still in here, bud? Oh, I don't think he's in here. Where is he? Cody? Oh, there you are, bud. Okay, we can turn that off now, because I don't need it anymore. Yo, come on, Cody. But I'm gonna end the episode here. Yeah, it is still really windy out here. Where is Lucy? Lucy? Yo, Lucy! You back here, bud? Where the frick is that dog? Ah, there's Lucy. Alright, come on, dog. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this episode of Backyard Videos. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. The next episode will be out on January 15th, so I'll take a day off. I'll take the 14th off. Yo, come on, guys. But yeah, I'll take the next episode off. Well, the next day off on the 14th. Because, I mean, we can't do it literally every single day. That would be a little too insane. We don't want to repeat with May 2018 again, do we? And yes, I know it's been almost 5 years since that nonsense. Trust me, I've gotten smarter since then. You don't have to worry about it again. Anyway, I'm gonna hopefully get these guys in here, and yeah. See you next time, guys. Yeah, I know I may have messed up the outro a little. Sorry about that.